Okay everyone, so in this next lesson, let's go and try to implement the button once click or active will be moving down after we have elevated it once we hover on top of it. So the trick here will be to again use another pseudo class, and here I'm going to go and use the active pseudo class. And now what I want to do, instead of it moving up, I would want it to move down. So at least 2 pixels down. So from 20 pixels, I wanted it to go down at least 2 pixels. Now let's go and apply 2 pixels, 2 pixels for the back shadow here. And let's see how this will look on our browser. Now let's go and try to refresh our browser here, and then check how this will work. Once I click on my button here, you would see it seems like it's moving down, right? So once we hover and click, and we were able to achieve the hover effect, and once we click on the button, it moves down. Okay, so that will be the same thing that we will need to implement here in our second button here. So we would want it to move up and move down as if the button is moving up and moving down. Okay, so let's go back to our code editor and try to just copy this and implement the same code here. And let's just go and change this to A2. Let's say that and go back to our browser here and refresh, and then try to go and check if it's working. Okay, so we now have our sign in button and sign up button working. So I hope that helped you understood the trick that we used here, the technique. So thank you guys, and see you on our next lesson.